Hi, my name's City. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken trap. All you need is a box, any type of box, but here's the box that I'm going to use. Here's the box that I'm going to use to just put, you see, that box. And you need two types of pits. Tit like this that has that and about a foot long, and another tit about almost a foot. It's about this long. Then you just turn your box around like this. Then you turn the box around like this. Like that. Then you take you take this shit that has the little thing out the end. Then you see, you hit this shit like hold on. You hit like that. And then it would be like that. Then you take this hit. Then you hit the hit like. Hold on. That's how you do it. You take this hit and put it like I had another one. Hold on. You have to have it this way.